Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix cellular data gray out on iPhone in iOS 26. So let's get started. Solution number 1. Check screen time. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap screen time. Tap content and privacy restriction. Go to allow changes, mobile cellular data. Make sure it is set to allow. Solution number 2. Turn off lockdown mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap privacy and security. Select lockdown mode. Make sure it's turned off. Solution number 3. Check for iOS update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Solution number 4. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Choose Reset Network Setting. Enter your passcode. Confirm again to reset network setting. And that's it for today's video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and fixes. Thanks for watching this video.